a natural feeling in the depths, depths of our souls. A spark is lit, a flame that flickers with every heartbeat. It, it is a natural feeling that's hard to define, a sense of connection that intertwines between humans and animals. A bond, a bond is forming a tie that's unbreakable, a love that's transforming, transforming. We feel their joy, their pain, their fear, a mirror reflection of the love we hold dear, their eyes a window to your soul, so bright reflection, emotion that shine like a golden light, their touch a comfort that something our soul, a sense of calm that makes our hearts fall, and their presence we find peace, we find rest, a sense of belonging to the natural nest, their love unconditional, pure and true, a reflection of the love that shines in me and you, the trees, the flowers, the birds, and the air, all connected, all intertwined without a single care, a nature feeling that's hard to explain, a sense of oneness that felt but not restrained in the stillness of nature. We find our voice, a whisper of wisdom that echoes our choice to live in harmony with the land and a character, a natural feeling that's our heart greatest future. So let you cherish this bond we share between humans and animal, a love beyond compare. Let you honor the natural world we live, a world, a wonder where love and joy thrive and give in the beauty of nature. We find our peace, a sense of calm that the world knows can't release. So let you walk gently in this earth we call home and cherish the natural feeling that's our heart's sweet tune. My channel, subscribe and like. Thank you.